Hello everyone, welcome back to the Let's Dream Civils YouTube channel. Today's topic of discussion is Vande Mataram, the legal shift. The government has amended the Prevention of Insults to National Honor Act 1971, which now treats the insult to Vande Mataram similarly to the insults against the national anthem. So this is important from the UPSC Polity and governance perspective. On May 2026, the Union Cabinet approved a proposal to amend the Prevention of Insults to National Honor Act 1971 to elevate the legal protection of the national song. The objective of the amendment is to punish the intentional insult to Vande Mataram and to punish the obstruction to its singing. Now, this amendment grants the statutory teeth to previously advisory guidelines by the MHA. This means that previously the respect for the Vande Mataram song was based on the government advisories and the patriotic expectation. But now, disrespect to the Vande Mataram can attract to criminal punishment because this amendment gives the Vande Mataram song the legal enforceability. What is Prevention of Insults to National Honor Act? So this act was enacted to prevent the insult to our national symbol, national dignity and patriotism related institutions. The section 2 of this act deals with the insults to national flag and Constitution of India, and it covers the acts such as burning or mutilating symbols against our national flag or Constitution of India. And then section 3, initially, it protected only the national anthem against the intentional obstruction or disturbance during its singing. But now, this new amendment, this 2026 amendment also integrated Vande Mataram into section 3. So now, the Vande Mataram, that is the national song, also has the same legal shield as the national anthem. So, what are all the proposed penalties and legal provisions? So, when a person prevents someone from singing the national song, they can face up to 3 years of jail or fine. And if the offense is about causing nuisance during active singing, it will also attract punishment up to 3 years jail or fine. And for repeated offense, if someone is repeatedly creating insults to the national song, it will attract minimum 1 year of imprisonment. And then visual disrespect. When somebody is disrespecting the printed script or the lyric of Vande Mataram song, it will attract a cognizable offense status. What is cognizable offense? The police can arrest without any warrant and the investigation can start immediately. The legacy of Vande Mataram. So it was composed by the Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay in the year 1875, and the freedom fighters used this Vande Mataram as a cry or as a slogan of nationalism during the India's freedom struggle. And it first appeared in the novel Anthem in the year 1882, so which is based on the story of the Sannyasi rebellion in Bengal. And then the Constituent Assembly adapted it as the national song in the year 1950 to honor its historic role in the struggle for India's freedom. Now let's compare the national anthem and the national song. So the national anthem is mandated under the Article 51A Clause A of the Indian Constitution, whereas the national song, the Vande Mataram, is not part of the fundamental duties. So this is a very important difference. The national anthem Jana Gana Mana is mandated under the Indian Constitution. The national song is not mandated under the Indian Constitution. Okay, and then the national anthem has a strict duration of 52 seconds. The national song variations in the singing duration, it varies. And then it has a standardized lyrics or tune, whereas the national song doesn't have any standardized lyrics or tune. It is always the emotional and cultural resonance. And then national anthem is legally protected since 1971. The national song is legally protected only now, like the new amendment that we are talking about, right, in the year 2026, has provided the legal protection. So what is fundamental duties? The Part 4A of the Indian Constitution emphasizes on the moral and civic responsibilities to promote patriotism and strengthen the nation. So that is the key fundamental duties of the citizen of India. What does the Article 51 Clause A states? It states that it shall be the duty of every citizen of India to abide by the Constitution and respect its ideals and institutions, the national flag and the national anthem. So as we saw in the previous slide, only the national anthem is mandated under this Article 51A. Thank you everyone for watching. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to the channel for more such informative videos. Stay tuned.